All right, traders, a very, very warm welcome. I am Devang Mehra from the Financial Analyst, and I welcome you to the post-market analysis. So yes, you all can see I'm very, very happy right now. I will talk about everything in detail, but our community, the TFA family, has had a wonderful day today, and I'll show you what we all did today, and we'll discuss the markets. But most importantly, every single thing we discussed yesterday has worked out for us. And I have some recordings of yesterday's video, which we recorded in the night. We listened to it, just a small couple of clips. But the only thing that went wrong is that I was expecting personally IT and pharma to outperform, but that has not really done anything today. It's remained flat. So we have to wait for another day. But leaving that aside, we have done well. And I do take that as a win. So I'm going to show you what happened today in Nifty first, what happened in Bank Nifty first. And exactly as we expected, Nifty opened up with a gap up and markets have been quite, sideways. So first, let's talk about this point. This is my first clip number one, and I'm going to show you what I had to say yesterday when I showed you the data. So the data suggests some kind of consolidation. There is no consensus. That is point number one. Point number two shows me some kind of a flat to positive movement tomorrow in the markets, followed by some kind of a choppiness. Did you hear that? What did we expect? I said there is no consensus in the data, not exactly. It's a mixed data. And I said that it looks like a flat to gap up opening, positive opening, followed by some choppiness. It was seen in Nifty. It was seen in Bank Nifty. This is the point number one. And these are the small things. That is why I tell you, listen to my videos carefully. It's about 20 minutes every single day or 40 minutes if you find the detailed analysis. But these are the points that will make you a good trader. See how I am doing the analysis, see how the team does the analysis, because we are very, very honored for the markets to oblige the way we are thinking. That was point number one. See the point number two, what did we discuss for Nifty? Opening above this level. That's another scenario. Let's say I'm opening very well above the 780 level, somewhere around 30,800. So that would mean a lot of your profit, your 60-point profit has already gone overnight. So whenever you are opening gap up, obviously your structure is bullish. I will not be shorting the market. You can do some kind of a gap filling trade. That is there. But our idea would be to buy on dip. You will not look for a selling entry. If you want to be safe in the market, try to get a dip in the market and buy that dip. Did you all listen to that also? I told you if we get a gap up somewhere around 800, 830, you cannot look to short because structure is bullish. And whoever has short in the market today has made a fool out of himself. Don't try to find tops in the market. I said a gap filling trade can come, but did you ever go below the lows? You never went below the lows. So you can't go for that gap filling trade. I hope my analysis is making sense to you. And that is exactly what happened. We got a dip in the market. We opened around, we made a high of 863 in the first session, and then we made a dip towards 820. I told you, buy the dip. Don't short the market. So that's another win that I will be taking for TFA. I hope you are finding this useful. If you're finding this useful, guys, hit the like button, comment if you made some money, and subscribe and share our channel. That would mean a lot to us. Now let's listen to the third point. This is about Nifty Bank. See the exact accuracy I will be showing you right now. The breakout level for right now would come somewhere above 30,930. You can see that level is quite far. So I don't expect, and I will ask you not to expect a breakout in Bank Nifty tomorrow. So I said the level comes up to 30,930 on Bank Nifty, and I told you do not expect a breakout on Bank Nifty. And can you see the high that has been made today? Let me show you the daily chart. I don't think I can be more accurate. The high made today is 30,929.05. It's given over here, guys. Read it for yourself. Just 95 paisa short from our level that I have given you. That's the accuracy that TFA is offering you. And I told you the breakout is not going to come today. And that's happened. What I personally wouldn't like Nifty Bank to go up 2% and then breaking out. Perfect. Perfect. That's another thing. That's another win. And finally, listen to this video. It's extremely important. We are getting some intermediate resistance at 30,500 level. So if Nifty Bank wants to go up tomorrow, it's going to open somewhere around 30,520 by 30, and then it may easily go up, and your target would be 30,800 followed by 30,930. Perfect.
So what did I say? If markets want to go up, they will open on the higher side. The first level I gave you was 30,800. Look where exactly Nifty has halted. The high on this candle was 30,798.70, 1 point short from our level that I've given you. This is again the accuracy. And again, when this breakout happened on the market, we again made a good profit. And this was the time I told you how to be bullish in the market. I gave you a recommendation of Kotak Mahindra Bank to our subscribers. We made some good money there as well, and we have achieved the 929 target also. So I would take all yesterday, everything that was discussed with you, it's all worked out for us except IT and pharma. But even the IT sector has moved. TCS has done well. Mindtree has done well. So again, that's up to you what you must have traded. So let me know in the comment section below what you have done. I would love to know about that and how your day went. So I will read out all the comments. So let me know about that. Now let's discuss about what did we do in our community, because that's also very important. You need to know what as a community we are doing. First of all, in the morning, I booked my profits. I mentioned in the community that I am booking all my BTST positions, and that is very important. I was holding Cipla, I was holding Hindustan Unilever, I was holding ITC, and I booked about 21,000. It's a good amount. I'm happy with it. I could have held it longer, but I didn't. And see what I've done. I was holding Jan calls. The reason I was holding Jan calls is because it's the monthly expiry coming. I don't want the decay factor to come in. I'm playing safe. I'm playing in the Jan expiry. That's point number one. Point number two is when I say BTST, it really means you buy today at around 3 o'clock and sell tomorrow at the open. Don't be greedy, be satisfied with what you were getting. I was getting about 25K. I got a bit greedy, but at 21K, I booked my profits. And this is important. People who held on to positions, you can see that you must be in a loss. So discipline is important. That was the point number one I shared at 9:20. The point number two was we got wonderful trades today throughout the session. Everyone made good money. Rushi, he gave a lovely recommendation of Sesk Ventures, and he said that I have written later about the group that this is going to give you a lovely momentum. And I want to show you what Sesk has done today. Outstanding, Rushi. Hats off to you. But the stocks that you picked, it's just outstanding. I have no words. And at 9 o'clock, he has picked up Sesk, and today's Sesk Venture, I'm going to show you the daily chart. It's gone up 20% circuit. What a lovely pick. Our community has done well. We've got these benefits. I think this is the holding company for FSL. So we got 20% profit logged in on Sesk, all thanks to Rishi Tank for his wonderful recommendation. Then we had Shreyansh from Bombay as well. He gave a recommendation of Godrej Properties. He's been in the real estate for a long time, and all his recommendations have worked out well. Godrej went about 4% today. You can all check out the charts. That's another win for us. And finally, guys, I have no words for this. First Source Solutions, another 18% today. And at this moment, I just want to sing a song for you. And this song is going to stick in your minds, and learn it, because this is something for our haters, for the haters of the TFA family. And it's inspired. It's a mix of Wolf of Wall Street and Dude Perfect YouTube channel if you watch them. So it goes like this. Na 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 na. Hey, 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 goodbye to all the haters. Goodbye. If you don't believe in us, click on that dislike button. I don't really care, because another 20% locked in on First Source Solutions. Thank you all for trusting in the TFA fam. And we have clocked in. You can see my return. It's on your screen. It's my screenshot. We have clocked in about 45% return in just 3 days. It's given, and I gave this idea to you in the on that can this stock give you 100% return. It's on YouTube, on public domain. No one believed us. 45% profits in front of your screen. We are still holding the stock tight. So all the haters, goodbye. Then we had another wonderful recommendation from Rahul Yadav. He's a new person, new member in the forum, but what a comeback. He has given Symphony, and Symphony made a lovely recommendation. It was discussed yesterday night. Symphony has gone up today. It went up today 4.08%, made a high of 1,040. Total outstanding work by the community, I must say. And then we had another wonderful trade given by HDFC Life. It was discussed throughout the group by Pranav, by Devesh. Everyone discussed it. You can see the charts. It went about 3 to 4% today. Another lovely. But look at this message. I want you all to take a note of this. Something I sent. I said that GMM Fodler is my next multi-bagger pick long term. That's it. I've said it out to you. I've given the analysis. Up to you whether you want to take it or not. Let's go forward. So then we had a lovely trade on HDFC Life. As I said, gave us very, very good results. Our community was active. And yep, I want to talk about this for a second. So I said that I want to give you a new year free tip, like I gave you on FSL. It's a free tip for new year 2020. GMM Fodler, the CMP was 3690, and I said my target is 8,000. It's long-term target. Please don't come to me for every single day profit loss. And I said that I'm being very liberal in my target setting. Currently, GMM Fodler is not covered by any brokers, and I want to show you the price when we recommended was 3690, and today it has made a high. You can see what happened today. 3690, it made a high of 3850. I was personally expecting a circuit, but the stock is rallied 7% from our recommendation. I again take that as a win. So TFA is doing good. So if you all want a good long-term stock, a good company, good fundamental company, GMM Fodler is the one you want to go with. Then as I said, Godrej was doing fabulously well. And finally, one last screenshot before I come to the live markets. We gave a recommendation on Snowman, and a lot of us gave a recommendation on JSW Steel, led by Abhimanyu Yadav, Mr. Rahul Shah. All of that was happening, and JSW Steel was it stole the show today. It gave a wonderful breakout today, and I think it was up about 4%. Clean breakout, gave a 5.5% move. And obviously, Mr. Rahul Shah with his Adani Power, Tata Power, Adani Enterprises, our community has done very well today. The results are in front of you. So if you all are in a community, guys, and give it a thumbs up. If you've taken the trades, mention in the comment section below. I literally love each and every one of you in our community, and I'm very happy that the community has been growing and we are getting the support. So it's not me, it's not the team, it's actually each and every one of you who is building the path of success. So thank you all for that. Now let's talk about the markets today, and obviously I'll be coming in the night as well for a detailed analysis. But as I said, guys, be bullish. When do you sell? You don't try to find tops and bottoms. A lot of people come to me and they say that we've started GAN and now we want, and as you said, 21 is the top. Maybe another top is coming in the market. It's not your job to do that. For me to find this top was a difficult job. It's taken me 2 to 3 years to understand the concept. So your job is to be momentum traders. Be FIIs. What do FIIs do? They are momentum traders. They go with the flow. Who are DIs? They are value investors. So when the FIIs are buying, DIs are actually selling, like your mutual funds, like LIC. So you have to be going with the flow, going with the momentum. Number one. So I told you, when can you sell? You can sell when the trend is getting bent, and you can see no signs of the trend to get bent. So don't talk to yourself and say markets are extended, because throughout November and December, didn't you think markets were extended? Still, they have given you 2,000 point move. So don't come to us and say markets are extended. It won't make sense. And as I said, this year is abnormal. This is a special year. So treat it specially. That's the best example that I can give you right now. So on Nifty, I said that I'll be trading Nifty. I did trade Nifty. I made some money on Nifty. I'm happy about that. Nifty has given a breakout. On the upside, so I'll be bullish on Nifty. On the upside, I will be looking for a target of 14,000. Not a target, I will say 14,000 is a very big hurdle. Number one, it's a round number. Number two, the monthly expiry is coming. So monthly expiry will have some good volatile movements happening. So I will have to look at the data to see what the market participants have done. But let's say if you are getting a level of 14,000 on your screen, try to book profits. If you are in the weekly, the 31st December expiry, my suggestion would be, if you've taken something home, go out BTST, book your profits BTST, and maybe switch over to a Jan expiry or Jan 7th expiry. Try to be safe in the market. The reason is volatility is going to come in, and because it's the holiday season, markets can consolidate. Your premiums will decay if you're not a seller, and 14K is a big hurdle. So let's say even if tomorrow markets are gapping up, we can actually see some problem in the markets, because I don't think 14K will be broken in one go. And it should not be. Even if it is, I will not take part right now. I will need some kind of a consolidation there, and then some kind of a breakout. I would need something like this at 14,000 levels. And you can see exactly at the 12,000 levels also. It's a round number. Markets never crossed in one go. They spent a good 1.5 months and then they broke out. So I would like that something like that should happen on 14K. Even at 13,000, the same thing has happened. 13,000 also could not be broken in one go. Markets have spent some time and then they have broken. So try to do that and accordingly plan position. So if you're long, 14,000 must be a place where you need to exit. Currently, SGX is around 13,898. So it's a positive momentum. I don't see a gap down tomorrow. Depends upon the news flow that comes in. But flat to positive is something again I'm expecting. Personally, I've taken our community on the recommendations of Mr. Rahul Shah. We have taken some Bank Nifty calls home for December expiry. My plan would be to exit BTST. I really don't want to take any extraordinary risk. If markets do give me a momentum, I will hold them in the Jan expiry because it's about safety in the market. Remember that, guys. When you come to the markets, you're betting against multi-million-dollar hedge funds. So you want to be safe, and your goal is not to just mint money. That's going to come. Enjoy the process. Talking about Bank Nifty, I think tomorrow is the day for Bank Nifty. I also really like what Kotak Mahindra Bank is doing. I think Kotak Mahindra Bank is at a very, very important juncture because I already sent these levels to you. A couple of us are also holding Kotak Mahindra for BTST. So if you get some good profits at the open tomorrow, you can book. But I think Kotak Mahindra, if Bank Nifty breaks out tomorrow, this guy is going to lead the market. The reason is I have drawn a 5-year trend line. On the chart in front of you, you can see a 5-year trend line holding since 2015. Since 2015, the level has been respected. You can see this level. It's been respected here. It's been respected here, here, and even right now. And today, we have just closed above these levels. So if the day high is broken tomorrow, we can expect a wonderful movement. And I think Kotak Mahindra Bank can lead us for another wonderful rally in Bank Nifty. So in Bank Nifty, that's at the breakout level. This is basically just very similar to Nifty chart yesterday, right? This was the same chart we saw on Nifty yesterday. So it is very simple about Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty must break the highs. The high of 30,930, I've already given you this level yesterday. So if this high is broken, you have to be a buyer in the market. Please don't go short. If you're in shorts, I would recommend book a loss because it's not a market to go short right now. So my aim tomorrow will be to be a buyer also in the market. I will not short unless until my trend is set, my the trend is bullish, the structure is bullish. I will not be a seller in such a market. So it's again very important where you open the market tomorrow. Again, let's say the markets are opening somewhere bottom at 3600, then I'm not expecting a breakout. I hope now these points are clear because you're seeing our videos every single day. I would like to buy the markets if I open flat. Number one, because markets can easily go up. Number two, I would like to buy the market if there is a small gap up. Obviously, when there is a huge gap up, I would not like to be a buyer in the market. I will personally book my BTST profits. If markets give me a flat opening, I will not book BTST profits, but I will hold for some gains because markets can literally, in the first couple of minutes, it can break the level. So just like yesterday, I told you, whatever markets want to do, they do in the first 1 hour. And today you saw markets went up in the first 1 hour. So it meant markets have to go up. Small points will make a difference in your trading. So even tomorrow, if markets want to go up in the first 30-35 minutes, they will give you a breakout by opening flat. That's important. If you open a gap up, obviously position sizing will become half. That's an important point. But 31,000 is a good logical, psychological level, just like 14,000 on Nifty. 31,000 is a very important level. It's an uncharted territory for now. So if we also break 31,000, then you can increase quantity. I will give you that permission. But that's about Bank Nifty. So what we'll do is we'll come in the evening in just another 3-4 hours. I'll get the data. I'll understand the data. I'll give you an exact view what you can expect in the markets tomorrow. But just try to get a flat opening or a small gap up, buy the market and book in your profits. You're close to the expiry. It's 29th. Yeah, it is 29th tomorrow. So we're coming close to the expiry. I'll give you one very important date, 30th December. For me, I can see that date looks very important to me. So for the bears, not for the bulls. If you're a bear in the market on 30th of December, we can see some fall. We can see some kind of a potential, a very small top to be formed, and we can see a good fall on the market on 30th of December. But that is not today, that is day after tomorrow. So we will forget about that. Tomorrow I am a buyer. On 30th, I will guide you how to trade, but I'm expecting some fall in the market on 30th of December. So that's my forecast. That's it for now, guys. Thumbs up, give that to us. I think you love us, but comment, right? I would love to read all your comments. I'm overjoyed when I read the comments and the support that you guys are showing us. It really motivates us. And subscribe to our channel and share our videos. I'll see you in some time for the detailed analysis. Thank you so much, guys.